We'll see next chapter, that is unit 3 9th standard yours, that is navigating documents in MS Word. You have learned how to use some of the advantage features of MS Word, such as thesaurus and hyperlink, styles, header and footer, and so on in previous chapter. Okay, in MS Word you can create a large documents running into multiple pages. Let us now learn how to navigate large documents using various browsing options provided by MS Word. You have earlier prepared a document on global warming. In the previous chapter we applied the title style to the title of the document and the heading one style for the first topic, causes of global warming. Okay, similarly let us add a few more headings to the document, such as effects of global warming and facts under causes of global warming. Add a subheadings called changes in climate. The MS Word application recognizes the different headings basis on the different styles applied to each. Ensure that the heading styles in the documents are in the following order. You can see here page 1, that is global warming, and page 2, causes of global warming, changes in climate. Okay, headings, and third headings like this, effects of global warming, and page 4 like facts. Okay, to start each headings on a new page, press control enter. Okay, you have to press a control enter. This is what how to change the headings in different pages. Okay, your document should now be of 4 pages. Okay, 4 pages, different pages, they are given different headings. Okay, 4 headings you have to add. So after that, what is shortcut keys, how to use shortcut keys in MS Word. You can see here now let's navigate through a document using the keyboard shortcuts. Okay, you can see here the keyboard shortcuts they are given. Note is there, when num block is off you can use the numeric keys as a navigation keys, up and right, down and left, and as home, okay, home separate button is there, and page up separate button is there, and page down separate button is there, and end is there. Okay, you can see here this is what the this one numlock is off. You can this one you can use these keys, 8 as a upper key, and 6 as a right key, and 4 as a left key, and 2 as a down key, like this. And you can see here 7 as a home, then 9 as a page up, and 3 as a page down, and 1 as a end. This is what the note given here. Then keyboard buttons, arrow keys, alt, shift, home and page up, page down, G, F, F5, control. Okay, these are all the keys they are given. The small brief introduction about that one. Okay, what is use of alt keys? Okay, alt keys and control alt shift, arrow keys, and page up, page down, home, page up, page down, like that, G and F5, and control button. Okay, then you can see here the shortcut keys they are given. The right arrow enables to move the cursor, okay, to the right of the one character. Then left arrow enables you to move the left by the one character. Then control right arrow means enables move the right one word. Okay, after one word the right control right arrow will operate. Then after that control left arrow means that is also control arrow means one word backward it will come. Then up arrow means upward the line. Then down arrow means downward the that line. Then control up plus up arrow. Okay, control up arrow enables to move one paragraph it will move. Then control down arrow it will move to one paragraph down. Then home enables you to move the beginning of the line, it will move the cursor to the beginning of the line, and it will the end of the line. Okay, where is the end of the line, it will move to end of the line. This we can after this theoretical we will I will assign the practical this one how to do using a online. I will send how you will do practically in computers. Okay, then here you can see control home. Okay, means enables you to move the beginning of the document. Then control plus end, it will enables to move the end of the document. Then control plus page up enables to start of the previous page. Then control plus page down, it will enables you to go to the start of the next page. Then control plus alt plus page up enables to go the top of the current screen. Then control plus alt plus page down, it will move to bottom of the current screen. Then here you can see control plus G or F5 enables you to access the go to tab. Okay, go to tab and find and replace dialog box will come. Control plus G you can press, it will come to go to command. Okay, which is used to go to a page. Okay, section, bookmark, graphic or other location of a document. Like that, shift plus F5 will enables you to go to the location of where the last edit was made in the document. Okay, shift plus F5 means where the last edit will be done in the document. This is what about the shortcut keys. Then using the navigation panel. Okay, using the navigation panel, how to navigate the panel. Okay,